How you doing? I'm Louie Gamino with Enviroscape LA. We're here at a project of ours. We're doing a rainwater harvesting unit. You can see a giant hole here these gentlemen are excavating. As they excavate, you may notice all these roots that are throughout the soil profile. Now, if you notice these roots, as you kind of go around the perimeter of the hole, they're within the top 24 inches of that soil profile, which is where most roots are. And you may wonder, well, where are these roots coming from? Well, behind me on the parkway is a magnolia grandiflora. Now, they have a very extensive root system. That tree is approximately 15-20 feet from where I'm standing, and those roots continue all the way across there it is excavated, which is an additional 15 feet. So you always want to plan for the future when planting trees. The city planted a lot of these many years ago, and of course they're removing them now because they are lifting up the sidewalk and creating a hazard. So just another visual, something good to share with you. What you can expect from the tree's root system. Don't think they're just going to stay contained with the first 5 feet of the tree's trunk. So this is magnolia, and these are the roots, and we're powering through it here. And yeah, just a short video. When you think sustainability and certified arborists, think Enviroscape LA.